tekisi ihan sen maybe not.
Yeah.
So only bilar efter this. This workers so the intentions. This is Puosunrinne, Båtsmansbrinken, 6 that you see here. In Espoonlahti, Espoo Espoo in the Helsinki-Helsingfors region, Uusimaa-Nyont, Finland. It was built in 1974, modernized in 2004. This number is a street to 313. Turned 45 years old in 2019. Possession turned 15 years old then. Let's go back to okay. It will be inspected in the next year, 2023. Whereas these workers are doing to us.
Inspekteetpaikki vai maintained-paikka on?
This might be early 1974. It has low ceilings.
Yeah.
But this modernization was still so necessary because this interior is so boring.
Yeah.
It was much better before. And also I also don't like the straight-sided door.
Yeah.
You used to have MP9 fixtures.
That's